In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment on Calendly in just about 5 minutes. For many professionals and businesses, managing appointments can be a daunting task. Thankfully, Calendly offers a seamless and efficient way to do this. Let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a busy schedule ahead and you need a simple yet effective system to manage your appointments. That's where Calendly comes into play. First, open your favorite web browser and visit Calendly's website. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes the process quite intuitive. Once on the Calendly homepage, the next step is logging into your account. Click on the login button located prominently on the page. If you're new to Calendly, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward and quick. For those who prefer a streamlined login process, Calendly offers you the option to continue with Google. This is highly convenient as it syncs with your Google account, making future logins and calendar integrations seamless. After selecting the option to continue with Google, you will be prompted to select your account. Choose the Google account you wish to use with Calendly, ensuring it's the one with access to the calendar you want to manage. Once you've selected your account, click on Continue. You'll then see a request for certain permissions that allow Calendly to access your Google Calendar. This integration is key to avoiding scheduling conflicts and double bookings. After granting permissions, you'll be directed to your Calendly dashboard. It's a clean, easy to navigate interface where you can create and manage your events. To get started on scheduling, click on the Create button. In Calendly, everything is organized around event types. Click on the option to create an event type. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a group event, or something more custom. For most one-on-one appointments, selecting one-on-one will suit your needs perfectly. Following that, you'll click on Next to proceed to the customization of your event. Here, the real fun begins. You can name your event something descriptive and straightforward. It's also here you can set the duration of your appointments. Calendly allows for flexible scheduling options ranging from 15 minutes quick catches up to more extended sessions. Choose what works best for the type of meetings you're scheduling. Now for the location of your meeting, Calendly offers versatile solutions. You can opt for Zoom meetings, phone calls, or even in-person meetings. Each option is designed to fit various needs and preferences. Choose the one that aligns with how you intend to connect with your invitees. After setting up your meeting specifics, hit Continue to move to the final phase of your event setup. The anticipation builds as you're almost ready to start inviting participants to your newly created event. Upon completion of your event setup, Calendly directs you to a page where you can share your event. Here you'll find a Share button. Clicking on it reveals several options for how you can invite people to schedule with you. One of the most straightforward is copying the link to your event. With the link copied, you're now ready to distribute it to potential participants. You can include it in emails, text messages, or even post it on your website. This link is the gateway for others to view your availability and schedule appointments with you, hassle-free, and there you have it, a quick guide to setting up and sharing your Calendly events. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your appointments, allowing you more time to focus on what truly matters. Remember, Calendly is a powerful tool that's designed to make your life easier. Take the time to explore its features and customize it to fit your scheduling needs. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or someone juggling a busy calendar, Calendly has got you covered. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Now you're well on your way to simplifying your scheduling process and making more time for the work that drives you. Go ahead, give it a try, and see how Calendly can transform your appointment management strategy. Happy scheduling,